Byte Bite.
Hey, champ! So, you've heard of IoT? Buckle up. We're about to plug you into the super secret tech side where you can understand how it works. In case you want to know the basics of the Internet of Things, check it out on our channel. So, how does IoT work? Well, IoTs are fitted with these things that help them collect data. Then, they share that data through the internet. It's like each object gets a tiny brain to observe and a voice to speak. What are these things? There are many, but let's list the important ones. Sensors, microcontrollers or microprocessors, connectivity, cloud computing, and actuators. With these, IoT creates the magic. Why do we need these things? Let's break down each like a detective. They're like the eyes and ears of smart gadgets, sensing heat, motion, light, even if your dog steals your sandwich. These tiny brains read sensor info and decide what to do, like telling your curtains to open at sunrise. How do gadgets talk? With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or 5G. Without the wireless magic, they're just plain old gadgets. Smart devices store info in the cloud like a secret library in the sky. That's how your watch knows you hit 10,000 steps, even if you forgot. They're the arms and legs. When the brain says go, actuators lock doors, switch off fans, or change the color of lights. When and where is IoT used? IoT really took off in the 2010s when the internet got faster and tech got smaller. Now it is used in smart homes, smart cities, healthcare, smart farming, and many more industries. In short, if it moves, lights up, beeps, or needs your attention, there's a good chance IoT is in there somewhere. I hope you learnt more about IoT today. We'll come up with more interesting topics. Until then, keep learning and keep building. Bye for now, champs.